Hi everyone, it's Danielle from the Firestone Art Studio and Cafe in Manchester, Connecticut. We are hoping that you are all staying home, safe, and healthy during this time, and we wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of how we're handling this uncertain time as a business so that we can stay open and you can still have the arts at home. Our online store is completely updated as of today with a new option to customize all packages to exactly what you want. We still have our board signs and canvas options as well as our brush lettering kits, but the big change happened with our pottery online to-go kits. We still have our pre-assembled, predetermined packages that we put together with different sets, but we now have our updated website with our full line of inventory and stock so that you can customize it to your needs. I'm going to go through the website to give you a little bit of a tutorial of how that works.
While you're on our website, you will see all of the options right on that home screen to show you what we have to offer. The pottery to-go kits have been massively popular, but we also have the canvas, lettering, and custom wood signs available for you. And if you have existing pottery with us and you'd like that shipped to your house, you have an option right here to add that to your online order to have it all shipped together in one box. When you go on up to the top, you'll see our online shop right in this top right corner and some options that you can have to support us as a small business. We have e-gift cards available, merchandise, prepackaged to-go kits, and our build your own pottery to-go kits. That part of our website is completely revamped right now, and I would love to show you what you can do with that. So here we are on that new build your own kit site. It is going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. You're going to pick your pottery, pick your colors, and then choose your method of pickup. What's really awesome about this is that you can totally customize your experience based off of the pottery we have in stock currently. We have everything done by category, and if you want to see more options of a certain category, you're just going to click show more. It's actually going to let you know too if something is limited and that there's only a few left. We have added everything we have in the studio onto this online store, and you're able to do multiples, mix and match, and create an experience all your own. In your next step, you're going to pick your colors. So when we first started doing this, we were only able to offer a rainbow assortment, but now you're going to be able to customize and pick which colors you'd like included in your kit, and you'll see that added feature here. Lastly, you are going to pick how you would like your pottery sent out to you, and so we're going to offer ship or pick up in store. Pick up in store is going to be right at the Firestone location. In our parking lot, we'll have a parking spot reserved for you, and we'll run them right out to your vehicle so you don't even have to get out, and we can all stay safe and healthy.
All of our to-go kits come with all the materials you'll need to do your crafts at home. When you're doing pottery, you'll be bringing it back to us. We'll be announcing in a few weeks when you can start doing drop-offs so that they can be glazed and fired at our studio. So stay tuned.